Hi there. In this video, we will cover customer notes. Customer notes in TechMan allow you to record important information directly on a customer profile, ensuring key details are easy to access while booking jobs and managing your workflow. First, let's open up the Customers tab here at the top of the page. Now search for the customer here in the box on the left and hit Enter. Open up the customer's profile by then clicking Edit on the right-hand side of the page. We can then scroll down to the Customer Notes section of the page. In the box here on the left, we can then add in any notes we wish to be allocated against this customer. For this example, let's add a note in here to ensure that we only call the customer's mobile after 3 p.m. Let's also add in another note that the customer owes £20 from a previous job that needs to be paid. We can also use the follow-ups feature here below to add a date for when it's due. Once the notes have been added, let's have a look at this job for the customer. Simply scroll down to the Customer Details section, and on the right-hand side there is a notes box which will display how many notes are assigned to the customer. Once we click into this, we can then at this point view the notes we just added to this customer profile. And there we have it! Thanks for watching. Be sure to use this easy method to add customer notes. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.